Hi there, students. To glaze, a verb. A glaze, a noun. Okay, to glaze means to make a surface shiny by putting a liquid substance onto the top of it and leaving it or heating it until it dries. So, for example, ceramics. If you glaze ceramics, ceramics become shiny. You put a little bit of sand or a little bit of glaze on the surface and you heat it, and this becomes liquid, it vitrifies, and you have a glazed surface. So the pot had a beautiful glaze. Okay, there are all types of ways to glaze a pot. Yeah, and with different metals, this gives different colours. A glazed donut. Yeah, Homer Simpson is always eating glazed donuts. These are donuts with sugar on the surface, and this sugar normally is, well, it should be transparent, but very often it's not. It's a bit opaque. Yeah. So you cover it over with this sugar coating, a glazed donut. Or, for example, a croissant or a cake may have a shiny surface because you glaze the surface with egg. You put egg onto the top of it before you put it in the oven, and this gives a shiny, smooth surface. Yeah, you could glaze a piece of fabric to make it shiny as well. Or potatoes. You could take new boiled potatoes and glaze them with a little bit of butter. The butter gives them this shiny look. Or you brush the top of a cake with a strawberry glaze. It's a strawberry jam to give it a shiny surface. Now notice, to glaze, a glazier. A glazier is the person who fits paint and glass into your windows. Yeah, to glaze, to fit panes of glass into a window or a door. Yeah, so I need to glaze this window using laminated glass. Okay, so a glaze, a thin layer of something that you put to make things look shiny. Yeah, you could put a glaze on clay or ceramic or leather to protect them and make them shiny and make them look good. So glaze, it's a coating for ceramics or for metal to make it shiny and beautiful. A glazed surface is shiny. Notice we can use this phrase, his eyes glazed over. His eyes became glassy and he stopped listening. Yeah. I started explaining the word, and by 3 minutes and 50 seconds, all the students' eyes had glazed over. They'd become glassy and they weren't listening to me. They weren't hearing what I was saying. They had got bored. Okay, so if your friend's eyes glaze over, you're boring your friend. Yeah, it's glaze. This word is linked to the word glass. Yeah, it's like it's got this transparent glass covering over the surface. So come on, give me another glazed donut, please. No, another dozen glazed donuts would be better for me. Okay, so to glaze, to a vitreous coating on ceramic, a glaze, a semi-transparent layer of paint, a covering of food that makes it shiny, to glaze. Yeah. Okay, formality, glaze. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think use it absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from English, from glassen, meaning glass, which comes from Proto-Germanic, glassa, meaning glass. Which ultimately comes from Proto-Indo-European, gel, to shine, to glow, to shimmer. So, enough. I hope your eyes haven't glazed over with boredom. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To glaze, a glaze.